Namaskar, we have the Telangana IT Minister right here with us. It's a beautiful occasion. You've been doing a US tour. How's your experience so far?
It's very interesting and very encouraging. Many entrepreneurs, even not only from Indian diaspora, but all over the globe, they're showing keen interest to invest in Telangana. And we'll go with good companies over there, which shall be coming over there in the next few months.
So how has the artificial intelligence boom been helping the investment back in India or the response from the investors in US?
The plan and perspective of our state, especially Chief Minister and all our colleagues, are putting lots of emphasis of integration of AI in the existing technologies, and also see that we grow globally as the AI capital for tomorrow. And we have plans and we have some perspectives, and we are planning to put them into action. And that's the first action would be, on 5th and 6th of the next month, we have a global AI summit, which shall be the first thing where we would like to welcome the most notable speakers who have done the great work on the AI, and also see that the many companies who are doing on OpenAI or GenAI would be coming there, speaking their minds, and how we can really shape our AI CTO. That is also under our plan. So most probably we'll definitely in the times to come we'll emerge as the AI capital for the global world.
That's pretty awesome. And Sridhar Garu, you've been traveling with Revanth Reddy Garu, and I believe you have landed for the first time in Bay Area since many years.
Yes, it's been a long while since I had come over here, but this time it's different. This time it's for state, and we are inviting the potential investors to welcome to our state. State has a beautiful ecosystem which has been built over the past 3 to 4 decades, and this is the right time, I believe, and many NRIs who have got settled here, and I'm proud to say many NRIs who are from my native village are here and doing...
And which is your native village?
My native village is Mantini of erstwhile Karimnagar, and many of my relatives, cousins, and many from my village are here. They have come here doing a great work for America and also back to India. So we would like to invite everybody over there. So all these days they have been giving something here. So we will tell them and request them to give them back to their own place.
Yeah, give something back to your motherland. And once again, a very warm welcome from all the people of Bay Area, and particularly from the Consulate General of India. And as Your India TV also, we really appreciate your presence here and wish you all the best for this trip.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.